Hi, I am Balasubramanian. In this video, we are going to see 8th Standard Biology, Chapter 4 Ecosystem. In this lesson, we are going to learn about food chain, food web, trophic levels, and food pyramid. Look at the picture. This is about flow of energy. Okay, see here, green plants. These green plants utilize the sun energy or solar energy and convert it into food with the helping of other factors like carbon dioxide and water. Okay, right. See, after preparing, these green plants utilize the 100% of energy which is made by them. Okay, right. See, when herbivores eat the green plants, the energy goes to herbivore. When carnivore eat the herbivore, the energy goes to carnivore. So likewise, the energies are goes one organism to another. See, when all died, these all decayed by or decomposed by decomposers. It's nothing but bacteria and fungi. Okay. So while converting, it's feed on them and finally convert into simple substances. Okay, as in the form of energy. Okay, right. See, when again green plants grows, this green plants utilize the simple organic substances. Okay, right. Next, food chain. So before that, we have to know what is food. Okay, anything which we eat to live is called food. Basically, food contains energy. You all know clearly. For example, carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals. These are all the energy. These are all the nutrients which is present in the food. Okay, right. If we want to do any activity, energies are very important. Without energy, we cannot able to do any activity. Okay, right. Here, food can be transferred from one organism to other through the food chains. Mainly in the food chains, energies are transferred from one organism to another. Now, what is food chain? The sequence of living organisms in a community in which one organism consumes another organism to transfer food energy. That's all. Okay. See, in this food chain, actually what happened, energies are transferred from one organism to another. See, look at the picture. This is actually producers. See, producers, you all know clearly because it's make their one food. It produces their one food. Okay, with the helping of factors like carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Okay, right. See, when the rat eat the grass, the energy goes to rat. When the cat eat the rat, the energy goes to cat. When the wolf eat the cat, the energy goes to wolf. So here, what happened? The energies are transferred from rat to cat, then cat to wolf. Okay, right. Another example is grassland. In grassland, it's full of grass. Okay, right. See, look at the picture. Deer, lion is there. When the deer eat the grass, the energy goes to deer. When the lion eat the deer, the energy goes to lions. So with the help of this picture, definitely we can understand how the energies are transferred from one organism to another. Okay, right. See, in all food chains, the starting point is always producer. Okay, starting point always producer. Right. And one more thing, energy flow cannot take place reverse direction from line to deer or deer to grass. Okay, right. Next, food web. Food web is nothing but several food chains are interconnected form a food web. Okay, several food chains are interconnected. It's nothing but food web made by many food chains. Okay, right. What is food web? Food web is a network of food chains that are linked together in one form or the other. Okay, right. See, in this food web, the network of numerous pathways along with the energy flows within the grassland community. Look at the picture. This is about a grassland community. Here we can see a network of numerous pathways. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, right. So through the pathways, energies are transferred from one organism to another. Okay, right. So look at the picture. There are six food chains. How many? Six food chains. In food chains, the starting point is always producer and ending top carnivore is nothing but hog. Okay, right. Here, grass is eaten by the rabbit, then the rabbit eaten by hog. Okay, so this is one food chain. So energy transfers from green plants to rabbit, then the rabbit to the hog. Okay, then look at this one. Okay, right. Here, the grass is eaten by the mice, then the mice is eaten by the hog. Okay, right. So here also energy transfer from plants to mice, then mice to hog. Then third one, See here, grass is eaten by the mice, then the mice is eaten by the snake, then the snake eaten by the hawk. So here also energy flows there. Energy from plants to mice, then mice to snake, then snake to hawk. Then here, see, the grass is eaten by the seed eating bird, then seed eating bird eaten by hawk. Here also energy transfer from plants to seed eating bird, then seed eating bird to hawk. Okay, right. Then grass is eaten by the grasshopper, then the grasshopper eaten by the frog, then the frog eaten by the snake, then finally snake eaten by hawk. Okay, so here also energy transfer from plants to grasshopper, grasshopper to frog, then frog to snake, then snake to hawk. Okay, right. So when see this picture, definitely you will understand very clearly how the energies are transferred from plants to top carnivore. Okay, right. Next, trophic levels. Okay, so what is trophic level? The various steps in a food chain at which a transfer of food takes place are called trophic levels. Okay, right. It's nothing but feeding level from the producer to the top carnivore. Okay, right. Here producer constitute the first trophic level. The first trophic level always large in size. Okay, because it has large number, right? Herbivore forms second trophic levels, carnivorous forms third trophic levels, and top carnivorous forms fourth trophic levels. Okay, right. So here producer is always large in size. Okay, right. When go up, it automatically the size is decreased. Okay, right. Next, food pyramid. An ecological pyramid is a graphical illustration to show the flow of energy through different forms of life. It's nothing but here also flow of energy. How in the form of graphical illustration. Look at the picture. Okay, it's like a bar diagrams. Okay, right. See, usually already said that producer always large base and go up automatically narrows. Okay, right. See, the base of the pyramid shows producers, then primary consumer, then secondary consumer, finally tertiary consumer. Okay, right. Next, pyramid of numbers. It's nothing but individual number in each trophic level. Okay, right. See, the pyramid shows number of organisms in each trophic level. Okay, see number. Look at this picture. Say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so here is 7 number. What's the number is large? Which organisms large in size? Small plants and grasses. Next, pyramid of biomass. It's nothing but this pyramid shows a relationship between organisms of different trophic levels. Okay, see the biomass of organisms generally decrease from producers to the top carnivores. Look at the picture, you'll understand very clearly. Producers always large in size. Okay, then primary consumer little bit decreased, secondary consumers also decreased, and tertiary consumer also decreased. Okay, right. See, biomass is the total quantity or weight of organisms present in the ecosystem. Biomass is nothing but total quantity or weight of organisms present in the ecosystem. Okay, right. Next, flow of energy. Okay, so look at the picture. Plants, plants make their own food. It produces their own food with the helping of solar energy and other factors like the carbon dioxide and the water. Okay, so after that plants utilize this energy which is made by themselves. Okay, right. See, plants utilize 100% of energy. Okay, right. When the primary consumers eat producers, 10% of energy goes from producer to primary consumer. Okay, right. When the secondary consumer eats primary consumer, the energy goes to how many? Just 1% of energy goes to secondary consumers from primary consumer. When the tertiary consumers eat secondary consumer, just 0.1 percentage of energy goes to tertiary consumers from secondary consumer. Okay, so gradually decreased. Okay, the energy level is decreased gradually from producer to tertiary consumers. Okay, right. Okay, all of you, I hope you all understood. Thank you.